Do you guys ever just like wake up one day and you're like, I'm turning into my parents? Do you ever wake up one day and you're like, wow, I want to make some pickled eggs? Don't mix it up with the container, or in the container with the lid. Don't do it. Don't do it. Maybe do it if you're better than me, but do you guys ever just like wake up one day and you're like, I'm turning into my parents? Because that's me right now. I'm specifically turning into my dad, which is, it's awesome. Hey Dad, if you're watching, I'm turning into you. Do you ever wake up one day and you're like, wow, I want to make some pickled eggs? Well, that's me today. That's what I'm gonna do. And I have to run to the store and buy a couple things for the pickled eggs. But yeah, I'm turning into my dad. I never thought I'd wake up one day and be like, wow, I want to make some pickled eggs. But here we are. So I'm gonna run to the store, buy a couple things that I need, and then I guess I'm gonna make a video on how to make pickled eggs. So let's go. All right, I'm back. I boiled my eggs, peeled them, put them in my jar. I have a saucepan, and I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't mind Calvin in the background playing with the toilet paper roll. All right, it's a 1/4 cup of sugar, a cup of water, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of pickling spice, which I'm just gonna kind of eyeball. Okay, I also added about a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna stir it together. I'm gonna bring it to a boil and allow the sugar to melt. And then once the sugar melts, we're gonna pour it over the eggs. While this stuff is boiling, I went ahead and cut up some red onion, and I have some dill here. So I'm just gonna shove in some red onion around the sides here, along with the dill. I definitely do not think this is how my dad makes his pickled eggs, but this is how I am going to do it. Also, it says you can add a bay leaf. I'm not going to do that. I think I have bay leaves, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, we're going to put some dill in here. I'm also gonna put some smashed garlic in here. All right, I definitely thought I was recording when I poured all of this simmering, the broth was simmering. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, like a failure. But I just poured the simmering, like, brine over the top of the eggs. And that's what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to put these in the fridge, and it says that you can, like, eat the eggs within, like, a couple hours, but it recommends, like, 5 to 7 days of, like, pickling. And no, I'm not canning this. So we came back from vacation last week, and I guess we must have had a storm because this branch fell, and Jonathan is now living his best life with his chainsaw, cleaning it up. Like, Jonathan loves using his chainsaw. Except for when it dies. Okay, so I got the bright idea from my mom. I mean, she kind of gave me the idea to make the best trail mix ever. Like, my mom, I'm stuttering. Oh my gosh, it's because it's so good. My mom made this. It's almost gone. So, the real story behind the trail mix is I used to play volleyball all growing up, and I was on like a club team, and we would go to tournaments, and we would be there all day, and we would be in charge of like our own snacks and whatnot. And my mom would always make this trail mix. And this year for my birthday, she sent me home with some, and I was like, I should make it, and I've never made it before. So we're gonna recreate my mom's trail mix, and I will say, even if you don't like candy corn, which I love candy corn, I know a lot of people say it should go in the trash, but I think it's good. But like, I don't think you can actually taste the candy corn in it when you get like a handful of all the stuff. So I got all the ingredients for it, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it, even though it's pretty simple. I'll still show you. My mom's hers looks better because she got like the Halloween M&Ms, and I just got the regular ones. And I also got cashews because I swear she used to put cashews in it, but now that I'm looking at it, like, there's no cashews. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I make it. I also don't have any cute containers to put it in, so I'm just going to put it in a like gallon Ziploc bag. So I'll show you all the ingredients. All right, so we went to Menards, and I know that a lot of my viewers are not from the Midwest, so I did actually take a clip of Menards. It's a Midwesterner's dream. It's like a Home Depot and a Walmart combined. Like, they have groceries and all the hardware stuff you could ask for. So I did take a clip of it, so I'll insert that. But I got all the ingredients. So I got cashews. We got peanuts. We got raisins. We got candy corn and M&Ms. So let's mix it up. I think I'm gonna do just like half of all of these things and then save the rest and make more later. So let's do it. Okay, I lied. I actually found a container that I can mix some of this up in. So I went ahead and like opened all these bags, and I'm just gonna pour like half of each of these bags in here. I've never made this. Like I said, my mom has always been the one to make it. She does watch my videos, I think, so she can like correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe. Also, if you don't like candy corn, just don't put it in it, or find another candy that you like. It's probably good. Dang, that looks good. I'm gonna mix it all up. I'm gonna shake it. Don't mix it up with the container, or in the container with the lid. Don't do it. Don't do it. Maybe do it if you're better than me, but I've been cleaning it up because I spilled it everywhere. But that's one way to mix it up, right? Like, I have to clean up my giant mess. But anyways, it looks good. I feel like that was the right ratio. Just like half of all the things. Yum. So that's what it looks like. I feel like that was the right ratio, just mixing half the bag of everything together. It looks pretty much like my mom's, minus the cute Halloween M&Ms. But 100% would recommend this trail mix. It's my favorite, and we pretty much only eat it during the fall because I like the candy corn in it. And you can't get candy corn year-round. So, anyway, with that being said, hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!